Today we are going to discuss about the topic education and philosophy. So first of all, what do you mean by education? The term education is derived from the two Latin words educare and educere. The term educare means to nourish, to bring up, to mold and to train. The term educere means to lead out or to draw out. Education is all the experiences that a man can occur throughout his life. So education is a never-ending process or a lifelong process. It is a process of developing the inner abilities and the process of an individual.
You just heard about the meaning of education. Today I am talking to you about the meaning of philosophy. Okay? Philosophy is the study or writing of the ideas or a particular set of ideas about the meaning of life. Philosophy is a way of thinking about what one should do in his life. Philosopher is the one who studies or writes about the meaning of life. Philosophical means accepting unpleasant situations in a calm and wise way. René Descartes is generally accepted as the father of philosophy. He is a great French philosopher, mathematician, scientist, etc. The word philosophy derived from the Greek word philosophia, and it is a combination of another two Greek words, phileo and sophia. Phileo means love and sophia means wisdom. So philosophy means love of wisdom. Philosophy arises out of an attempt to arrive at a solution to a problem or to resolve a confusing situation. Philosophy begins with attempts to find answers to questions like what is life, what is sorrow, what is suffering, goodness, truth, man, etc. Such attempts to find answers to above-like questions contributed in different ages and countries, prominent philosophical thinkers and approaches.
Do you know how different philosophers define philosophy in different ways? Let's delve into some of those concepts. According to Aristotle, philosophy is a science which discovers the real nature of supernatural elements. According to Leibniz, philosophy is mental activity. And Karl Marx defines philosophy is the interpretation of the world in order to change it. Thank you.
So I think all of you understand the meaning of education philosophy. Now we can move next topic, relationship between education and philosophy. Philosophy and education are intensely interrelated, that is, all questions of education and or ultimately the questions of philosophy. According to James Ross, the philosophy and education are the two sides of a coin, the former, the contemplative side, the latter, the active side. From the definition, it is clear that there is a close interaction between education and philosophy, are two essential to each other. John Dewey, in his book Democracy and Education, held the view that philosophy is a theory of education and education is the practical side of philosophy. That is, education tells us goals of our good life and education is a means to attain our goal.
I hope that by now you understand that how intricately philosophy and education are related. Philosophy is the foundation stone of education. Every nation, culture, religion, community has its own set of philosophical beliefs, which are propagated through the medium of education. Accepted philosophical beliefs help in the formulation of educational goals, based on which the curriculum is designed. Philosophy also defines the role of a teacher and the pedagogical practices. The educational policies and practices of a country are determined by and launched by the philosophy of life upheld by its people. Thank you.